Hey guys, come hang out with me while I show you how to upscale, revamp, or restyle your daytime looks to nighttime party event looks, especially for Diwali. Check it out.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Rima's Fashion Fitness Tips and Tricks, where you're going to see all kinds of new fashion videos about repurposing and new innovative modern Indo-Western looks. Here's my first outfit. I actually had a long kurti style silk shirt. It was in yellow. The yellow was so nice. I just wanted to change it up a bit. It was a little bit too plain for me. So what I decided to do, since it was a shirt and it had open slits on the side, what I did was I closed up the sides and I added multiple layers of fabric laces to create that Sabyasachi look. Oh, it's so elegant, very pretty, as you can see here. And to polish off this look, I styled this dress with yellow accessories to match the yellow shirt. I also have my Starbucks cold cup. It's the limited edition in mint and yellow ombre. Oh, it matches so perfectly with this. I went with yellow stiletto heels and also yellow jewelry. As you can see, a very minimal choker necklace and dangly earrings. Ladies, you're going to be blown away by this next look. This is when Sabyasachi meets Versace and Christian Dior. I added in some Versace print laces as well, as you can see here. I have it on the sleeves and I have a couple throughout the different layers on the kurti. I have paired this kurti with brocade red pants because yellow and red look absolutely gorgeous together. I have a red organza dupatta. It has tassels on all four edges. I have my red Christian Dior handbag and I've completed the look with yellow stiletto heels. I have a ring with a red ruby in it. My makeup is just more on the pink tones, but I kept it really light because I wanted to wear a bold lipstick, and this is a red. Actually, I just used a lip liner. I didn't have an actual lipstick, so I colored in my lips with a lip liner, and then I added a clear lip gloss over top. I have decided to accessorize with American diamond jewelry. These are Swarovski crystals. It's kind of the new trend that's going around. So I have a necklace with a pendant, I have earrings, and I have decided to wear a tikka with it as well. I have red bangles just to bring out the red that I've chose to kind of give a pop of color with my pants and my dupatta. I hope you guys love this look. I hope you guys liked this daytime look. This is a kurti paired with denim culottes, or you can call them denim cropped palazzo pants. And I just have a simple bracelet on with a couple rings, not too fancy because it's a daytime look. I have some jhumki earrings. And, of course, sunglasses to help with the sun. There we go. So I've paired it with neutral color shoes. You can go with pink or purple with this outfit because it's got some pink and purple embroidery in it. And I have my pink sunglasses. This is look one from day. And I'm going to take this same top and I'm going to show you how you can style it for a nighttime going out look. And voila, here is the repurposed nighttime look, guys. I love this option. It's so beautiful. So what I did with this kurti or this top is I kept it as a dress style. I added a very shiny mirror lace on the bottom, and I also added some tassels on the bottom as well, and it looks absolutely beautiful, amazing. There's three options here. Number one, how I paired it here with a velvet palazzo pant and a nice chiffon dupatta, which has a sequence work lace along the edges, so it gives it a little bit of a pop. The jewelry I've kept to hot pink, which matches the kurti. and my earring matches my necklace as well. It's a pendant style and this is totally old school. I am totally rocking old school styles right now. Actually guys, someone just walked by and let me know that they wouldn't even want to estimate the cost of this next outfit. Take a look. Woo! It's my kurti paired with a palazzo pants and it's heavily embroidered in net fabric. It's absolutely beautiful and it's in a mint color, so it matches the mint color throughout my kurti. And of course I have my mint color shoes and my mint color handbag. I kept my handbag plain, more matte, because there's a lot of embroidery and shine throughout my outfit. So as I said before, someone didn't even want to estimate the cost of this outfit. They actually just walked by and they thought that it would cost thousands, but you and I know all we did was we took one of our older kurtis and we repurposed it and made it look even more fancy. And we'll take it down a notch. Here's the next option. I'm still wearing the same denim culottes as I wore for the daytime look. And all I did was I added a mirror lace to the bottom of the culottes and it just made it a little bit more fancy. So now you can rock denim at a nighttime event or something that needs you to dress up a little bit more. So with this outfit, I started with a dress style kurti. Oh, it's so pretty. You can actually wear it as a dress on its own or you can pair it with over the knee boots like I did. And I've also added a denim vest, which kind of completes the look. A cute graphic clutch. And I went with gold earrings to match the golden trim on the kurti. Check it out. A cute, comfortable look for the day. So another variation of this look is instead of wearing over the knee boots, I decided to put on my docks. Oh, I love my docks. So it's just like this really cute vibe. It's very cute, very chic. It's a daytime fun look. It's comfortable. You can get through all your daytime activities, have lunch, go for a walk with style. Okay guys, cut to the restyled look of this kurti. So I replaced the top with a sequin floral fabric and created a V-look sleeveless style. Kept the bottom the same. Instead of wearing it as a dress, which you can wear it as a dress with some nice booties, I paired it with a palazzo in matching floral satin silk fabric. I have my dupatta for my nighttime Diwali look. My beautiful Sabyasachi inspired jewelry. My tikka matches my choker necklace. I have a handful, 2 sets of bangles, and they've got pearl clusters on it. And for my shoes, I decided to keep it white to match the white of the outfit. My clutch is in green, and it's also got some stones throughout. And here's another dupatta variation where I just put it over one shoulder so you can see my armband. Check this out. Here's a spin. Ooh, so gorgeous. All right, my beauties, in this next look, what I did was I repurposed an old salwar suit and I took the kurti and I made it into this love moschino style shirt. I added love laces on the shoulder straps and across the border of the kurti. I also made it shorter. I paired it with purple velvet pants. Now, what makes this outfit so cute is I took a dress shirt and I put it underneath so it's layered and I buttoned it right up. I added a rose gold necklace over top underneath the collar. Absolutely gorgeous, sophisticated look for your daytime events. Maybe you want to go to lunch. Oh, it's absolutely amazing. It can actually be used as an office look as well. I have my rose gold bracelet and my rose gold ring. I finished the look off with my white booties and my white PRADA clutch bag. I hope you guys love this look. Make sure you check out my video where I styled my cotton kurti moschino style. I absolutely love moschino right now. Don't forget to check it out. Cut to the upcycled or restyled look of this dress. The color of this outfit is purple and green and it's got a little bit of pink in it. It is actually just a salwar suit and what I did was I tied the dupatta like a sari. I have a graphic matching clutch, a nice ring. Because the lace is all shiny throughout, I decided to go with a matte colored clutch and just a choker necklace. This is a kundan necklace and it's got green jewels in it. I have a bracelet that has green jewels in it as well. This one's American diamond. And I decided to go with a bold lipstick. The lipstick is actually purple. I was waiting for an outfit that I could wear this lipstick with. It's not something that I wear every day, but because we're going with bold looks, evening looks, I put it all together with the purple lipstick. Alright guys, here's the next option for the day to night look. I wanted to experiment with this look, so I decided to go with the distressed jeans again, and then I took my dupatta and I tied it like a sari. So it kind of creates that elegant nighttime look. Check it out.